can say, mission accomplished.
Sir Jessica?
I gotta write that down. Accomplished job.
Really? Because I think Serge's catchphrase is gonna be, "Stop hitting me with my own cane."
I don't know that I'm...
I've done nothing wrong. And the way you've treated me is unforgivable. And you're not the only person who thinks we're not friends anymore. There's another person who also thinks we're not friends anymore, and I think you know who that person is. But if you don't, it's me, Harper. Signed, Harper. How does that sound? I like the note you had when you used the bad words. Her opponents are crutch. They lead to tattoos and piercings. All right. Now let me ask you something. Can you tell this is glued? Oh my gosh, they're coming. And where's the owl? She's supposed to read the note.
All right, calm down. See what you do?
The IPP.
Get your ball. Don't play. Not play. Oh my God.
Archie, get out of the way.
Spin the
Breathe.
dial and stand under it.
Breathe. It's all
Oh,
good.
good job.
Did I just hear Harper in here? I have to talk to her.
Yeah, actually, she left this note for you.
Oh, I'm tired of reading. Just tell me where she went.
I don't know. Somewhere in the IPP.
Dude, check the dial.
Fine, I'll give it a gander.